So this week I want to talk to you about this, which I'm super excited. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and please remember to hit the subscribe button and to ring the bell to be notified of my weekly videos. So the idea of this came from chatting to a girlfriend at a birthday party, and she was complaining that there isn't a product out there that you can keep track of what you've been eating throughout the year. Most family food planners either a whiteboard that you wipe clean or you rip off and throw away. So I wanted to create something, having chatted to her, that you can track what you've been eating. Now, it's not just for families. This can be used for anybody, and you can track exactly, and you can look back throughout the pages. So there's 52 pages of, let me show you what it looks like, of the meal plan for the week. And you then have got a notes section on the back of it, so you can write down anything that went well, or if you're on a diet, you can make notes. Yeah, really sort of useful section just to fill in there for whatever your needs. And then I have got 2 pages for a shopping list. So this can be torn out, you can rip it out, or you can take the whole thing shopping with you, or if you shop online, you can just fill it in and then do your online shop. And I also put a total spend, so you can keep track of how much you're spending each week as well. So the idea is to sit down on maybe a Sunday evening and get your favourite recipe books out, take a moment and work out what you're gonna eat. And then, you know, you could do it on rotation of every 4 weeks, something like that, so that you're not having to come up with ideas the whole time. And you can look back and see what you enjoyed, what you didn't enjoy, what went down well, if you're using it for family, what the kids have loved. Also great if you're trying to lose weight, because you can plan it ahead, plan ahead, and you can do your weekly shop rather than popping to the supermarket backwards and forwards, grabbing this, or what am I gonna eat tonight? It just makes it much simpler and trying to save time, and yeah, time is so precious. Who wants to be kind of stressing about it? And if you actually just take time, set aside an hour, and actually then you'll get it down to a lot quicker, half an hour, just on a Sunday or a weekend or whatever day you choose to do it, just to fill it out and then to do your food shop. I've also included a few other little bits in here for you, so there's a little bit of an intro about me, but I've also put 2 freezer diaries. So every 6 months you can just do a bit of a stock take of what's in your freezer and note what's in there. So that is there. I've also put a section of helpful tips. Now, the helpful tips have come from in here, and this can work really well in conjunction with that one. So that's my family meal guide and planner. So it's got all the recipes for 7 days worth of recipes, breakfast, lunch and supper in that one. So there's the helpful tips. And then there's my suggested meal plan, which is the ones from in here. So I know it's February, and if I'd come up with the idea earlier, it would have been out at the beginning of the year or last year in preparation. But there are 52 pages in here. It's quite thick. And I hope that you love it as much as I'm going to enjoy using it and having a record of what we've been eating. So yeah, enjoy.